Hey everyone, what's up? The moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. The stable iOS 18.3 update is officially out. If you're rocking an iPhone 16, 15, 14, or 13, this update is packed with some seriously cool features you don't want to miss. In today's video, we're breaking down 10 plus must-know features from the iOS 18.3 update. From sleek new wallpapers to smarter Siri and some game-changing camera upgrades, there's a lot to unpack. So let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the new wallpapers. Apple has added some fresh, eye-catching options to personalize your iPhone. One of the highlights is the new Unity wallpaper collection, which brings vibrant, dynamic designs to your home screen. But that's not all. There's also a special edition wallpaper celebrating the opening of the new Apple Store in Miami. If you're into high-quality wallpapers, I've dropped the official 4K download link in the description. Next, the calculator app just got a major upgrade. Finally, it works like a classic calculator. Now, when you type in an equation, say you type 1 plus 1, you'll get the result. But here's the kicker. It supports continuous calculations. For example, if you press equal to multiple times, it'll keep calculating based on the last result. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference for anyone who uses the calculator regularly. Now, let's talk about Apple Intelligence and Siri. With iOS 18.3 updates, these features are enabled by default for supported devices. That means no more worrying about download errors for apps like Image Playground or Genmoji. If you're not a fan of these features or if they drain your battery, don't worry. You can easily turn them off in settings. But honestly, Apple Intelligence is getting smarter by the day, so you might want to give it a shot. Here's something fun. For iPhone 16 series and above, iOS 18.3 introduces an amazing visual intelligence feature for your calendar. Simply snap a photo of the event, brochure, or flyer using visual intelligence, and your iPhone will automatically detect the details and add the event to your calendar. Visual intelligence now includes pet detection. Point your camera at your furry friend, and your iPhone will automatically identify the type of pet. Whether it's a dog, cat, or something more exotic, your iPhone has got it covered. And it doesn't stop at pets. The same visual intelligence feature can now identify plants, flowers, and trees. Just point your camera at any greenery, and your iPhone will tell you exactly what you're looking at. It's like having a botanist in your pocket. Speaking of cameras, the iPhone 16 series gets a sweet new feature called Lock Focus and Exposure. This lets you lock the focus and exposure settings with a single tap, giving you more control over your shots. Whether you're capturing a fast-moving subject or shooting in tricky lighting, this feature is a game changer for mobile photography. Now here's a handy privacy improvement. When you take a long screenshot and crop it, you'll now see a warning message. It reminds you that the cropped content isn't permanently removed from the PDF. This is super important if you're sharing sensitive documents. Always double-check before sending anything. The notification summary feature has also been upgraded. Now you can customize which apps appear in your summary. When you open it for the first time, you'll see a splash screen guiding you through the setup. This makes it easier to prioritize the notifications that matter most to you while keeping the rest out of sight. Here's a rumor that's got everyone talking: screen recording with camera capture. Imagine being able to record your screen while simultaneously using your front or back camera. This could be a game changer for content creators, gamers, or anyone who needs to record tutorials or live streams. Last but not least, Apple is reportedly working on a new app called Invites. This app will let you easily organize events, parties, or gatherings by sending digital invitations to your friends and family. It's still under wraps, but it sounds like a handy tool for staying connected and organized. And that's a wrap on the top 10 plus features of iOS 18.3. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Tech Rushy for more awesome tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.